I was supposed to be making a video with Aiden today, but he kinda isn't on right now, so I can't really play with him. So I ain't got the maps for this. Nope, I'm out. I'm going. I like the AR, by the way. Okay, let's just stay right here. Okay. Never take me alive. Okay, I gotta... Okay, someone is here. Keep that in mind. Please. Big pot and, sniper. Got my sniper wish. Dang, Aiden. If you see this video before you have to go back to school, just hop right on Fortnite and I'll be there. Oh shoot. Are you serious? Could this guy not be any more obnoxious? Oh my god, my sensitivity is way too high. I'm out of mats again. See, I'm out of mats and I'm dead now. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's a beauty. It's a shame that you didn't win that fight, Home Skillet. You're garbage. Whew. If you hear any crying in the background, that's my new sister. So yeah, if you guys would, just subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 10 subscribers. That's my goal. Aiden, swear to God, if you ever unsubscribe to me, who knows what might happen. You just might not like it. You just might not like it. And that guy is doo-doo trash since he didn't kill me. I'm just kidding, you're not actually doo-doo trash. It's just I had the upper hand. So I don't run out of mats again, let's get some mats. Yay, the most boringest part of the video, not fighting. Oh, someone's fighting. Garbage. What was the point in that? God dang it. To be honest, if you're watching this, if you're looking for a dove that's not here. Yeah, smart choice putting that behind you, homeboy. Yeah, I'm not that stupid. See someone over there too. Maybe he has no shield. Maybe he's been camping this whole time. Come on, is he camping again for real? Wow, what a loser. He's camping in this. Aw. What? I feel freaking stupid.